Imagine this. You walk onto the court, paddle in hand, and confidence through the roof. But let's be honest, picking the right paddle can make or break your game. With so many options out there, it's tough to know where to start. That's why in today's video from Consumer Heaven, I'm breaking down the top 5 pickleball paddles dominating 2025. Whether you're chasing power, control, or that perfect all-around balance, one of these will fit your style. And hey, all the paddles featured here are linked in the description below, so check out those Amazon Best deals and see which one fits your budget and playing style. Let's jump right in.
Number 1. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air. This isn't just a paddle, it's a statement. At around $250, the Selkirk Power Air is one of the premier paddles used across the PPA Tour, and for good reason. It features an elongated handle and standard shape, giving you a generous hitting surface while making two-handed backhands effortless. The air opening technology gives faster swing speeds, so your serves feel snappier and your drives carry more whip. Performance-wise, this thing is a power player's dream. Every shot feels explosive, precise, and smooth. The luxe cushioned handle is built for long matches, and the secure grip wrapping gives you more control under pressure. There are no hard edges, meaning even your off-center hits come off clean. Overall, the Vanguard Power Air is like holding a Ferrari in paddle form, fast, lightweight, and absolutely elite. If you're a serious player who wants the best tech in the game, this one's for you. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. If you're getting into pickleball and want performance without breaking the bank, the Head Radical Elite is a fantastic pick. Built with a honeycomb polymer core, fiberglass face, and a wide hitting surface, this paddle gives you the perfect mix of control and comfort. The foam handle feels great, almost like a tennis racket, giving you confidence on every swing. While it's not the most powerful paddle on this list, the Radical Elite shines in lightweight control and placement. It's ideal for players learning strategy, positioning, and consistency. At around $70, it easily plays like a $100 paddle, a great gift for beginners or a reliable backup for experienced players. Number 3. Onyx Graphite Z5. One of the most recognizable paddles on pro courts, the Onyx Graphite Z5 is built for control, spin, and precision. This paddle gives you the best graphite performance under $100, a rare combination of lightweight design and strong responsiveness. The Nomex honeycomb core keeps your shots consistent and reduces dead zones, while the paddle shape gives you excellent surface coverage. It feels balanced, responsive, and perfect for players who want reliable performance without paying premium prices. The Z5 truly shines on serves and volleys, letting you whip the ball with spin and confidence. It's a favorite among beginners to intermediate players who want a paddle they won't outgrow anytime soon. Number 4. Jula Ben John's Perseus 3S. Now this one's straight from the pros, designed with Ben Johns, the most dominant player on the PPA Tour with over 100 titles to his name. The Jula Perseus 3S features a charged carbon surface that enhances stability and energy return, giving your shots that crisp, explosive feel. It's paired with a patent-pending propulsion core which delivers next-level power across drives, dinks, and drops. The elongated paddle face expands your sweet spot for maximum spin and consistency. And it's even NFC chip-enabled, so you can connect to the Jula app for training videos, analytics, and community features. This paddle is pure innovation. If you want pro-level precision and data-driven improvement, the Perseus 3S delivers it all. Number 5. Tangerine Santorini. And finally, the Tangerine Santorini, a paddle that turns heads before you even take your first shot. Inspired by the blue and white beauty of the Greek islands, the Santorino looks stunning and performs just as impressively. The fiberglass surface gives it a lively pop, while the balanced core thickness provides the perfect mix of accuracy and power. Weighing only 7.6 ounces, it's the lightest paddle on this list, perfect for quick volleys and agile play. The chestnut leather grip feels premium, and the design is USAPA approved, so you're tournament ready right out of the box. The Santorino is more than a paddle. It's a style statement for players who love elegance and edge in equal measure.
There you have it, 5 of the best pickleball paddles dominating 2025. From the pro-level precision of Selkirk and Jula to the control and value of Onyx, Head, and Tangerine, each paddle brings its own strength to your game. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and don't forget to check the description below for the best Amazon deals on all the paddles featured today. This is Pro Pick Sports, helping you find the right gear to play smarter, swing faster, and win bigger.